Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out the adjustment of status application. First, it's crucial to understand the entire process and gather all required documents. This includes birth certificates, marriage certificates, and financial records. You'll need to ensure you meet all eligibility requirements, such as having an approved immigrant petition. Carefully reviewing the official instructions for Form I-485 is your first step to a successful submission. Moving on, let's discuss the essential forms. The primary form is I-485, your application for permanent residence. You'll also need Form I-864, the affidavit of support from a qualifying sponsor, demonstrating financial capability. A medical examination, documented on Form I-693, is mandatory. Remember to include copies of your passport, visa, and any previous immigration documents. Accuracy across all these forms is paramount for a smooth process. Now, let's talk about the financial aspects. Your sponsor must demonstrate income at 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for their household size. It's vital to calculate the correct filing fees, which can be several $100s. These fees usually cover the I-485 application, biometrics, and sometimes work authorization and travel documents. You can pay by check, money order, or credit card, ensuring the exact amount is submitted. Finally, let's cover submission and the interview. Once all forms and documents are complete, organize them precisely as instructed by USCIS. Mail your entire application package to the correct service center address. After submission, you may be scheduled for an interview. Prepare by reviewing your application thoroughly and bringing all original documents and any additional requested evidence. A well-prepared interview significantly increases your chances of approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.